In today's digital age, making money through texting is a reality. Whether you want to work from home, have a flexible schedule, or simply prefer text-based communication over phone calls, there are various opportunities waiting for you. In this video, we'll explore 9 companies that will pay you to text without the need to engage in awkward, flirtatious conversations with strangers. Before we get into the video about how to make money through texting, make sure to check out the link in the description for one of my best recommendations when it comes to making money online. 1. 1Q app. The 1Q app is a free application available on Android and iOS that pays you cash for answering text message surveys. Brands use it to gather honest feedback from consumers. You can earn 25 cents per response and receive payments via PayPal immediately upon completing a survey. 2. Fibler. Fibler is an app that allows professionals, like doctors, lawyers, and tutors, to offer private consultations and group coaching through text, voice, and video chats. You set your own rates and can create video content for passive income. Payments are made via direct deposit or PayPal. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can offer text-related services, such as SMS marketing to businesses. You can set your own rates, and once you complete a gig, Fiverr releases your earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or direct deposit. 4. Ginger, Headspace Health. Ginger, now part of Headspace Health, provides mental health services through texting sessions. Coaches help members combat challenges like anxiety and depression. You'll need proper licensure and experience, and the job requires 10-hour workdays, 4 days a week. 5. Just Answer. Just Answer connects experts with clients via text for questions in various fields. After passing their screening process, you can earn anywhere from $2,000 to $7,000 per month, working as much or as little as you desire. 6. McMoney. McMoney is an Android app that allows you to earn money by simply receiving test SMS messages. Once you reach the minimum payout amount, you can withdraw your funds via PayPal. 7. Premium. Chat. Premium. Chat connects clients with experts through text, voice, and video chats. It's great for consultants, coaches, performers, models, and influencers. You can set your rates, availability, and payments are sent on the 10th of every month via PayPal or direct deposit. 8. The Chat Shop. Based in the UK, the Chat Shop hires remote chat agents to help businesses generate leads through text chat services. Agents earn around 9.56 per hour, but they need to handle multiple chats simultaneously with a quick response time. 9. Working Solutions. Working Solutions is a BPO operation that frequently hires independent contractors. The average pay is $15 per hour, and various programs may require phone calls and video chats. You'll need specific equipment, including a high-speed internet connection for this role. Tips for texting safely. Before diving into the world of paid texting, take precautions to protect yourself from scams and identity theft. Research companies on platforms like Indeed and Glassdoor, read app reviews, and verify developer credibility. Never share personal information and ensure email addresses match the company's domain name. Always be cautious of suspicious messages. If you enjoy text-based communication and want to earn money without flirting with strangers, these opportunities are worth exploring. Research the companies you're interested in and follow safety precautions. Whether you have expertise to share or want to answer surveys for extra cash, there's a texting gig waiting for you. Give it a try, and you might be pleasantly surprised by how much you can earn. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting opportunities to make money online. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below, and we'll be here to guide you on your path to financial success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy texting and happy earning.